I'm not normally an emotional person, but watching my absolute best friend walk down that aisle to the man that she so clearly adores. I mean, one of the most special, beautiful moments that I have witnessed.
Adam, he's my only brother, so I can say he's my favorite brother, and I'm just super happy that he's found his person to be with forever. So I love you guys.
Adam, you and Lucy Parks make promises today. We pledge to you that you can depend upon us to help you in keeping these promises. You can depend on your friends here gathered and your family here gathered. May the promises you two make to one another this day, the joining of hands, the giving and receiving of rings, be symbols of hope to us in the midst of troubled and difficult times. May they fill us with joy, and may your lives be filled with joy this day and always.
It is so wonderful to see the two of you together this evening. And I will quote the Duke Shackelford, whose classic Shackelford toast is, "May all your water turn to wine." Happy, happy.
LP, where do I begin? You have totally changed who I am as a person. I would have not survived college without you. I love you so much. I just know that you're always a friend that I can count on, and I love your family and this whole night, and I love how much Adam adores you, and y'all are such a great couple, and I couldn't be happier for you. So Adam, please take care of our girl.
We all know that Adam has set the standard for excellence. But what some of us don't know is Adam's dedication and devotion to his closest friends and family. He puts his closest friends and family above all else, and I'm sure all these groomsmen around would agree with that. Lucy Parks, when I first met you, I knew you were the one for Adam. I could tell you were very smart, you have a no-nonsense way about you, and you have a glowing personality that we love to be around.
I am Lucy Parks' Aunt Yaya, Laura, but I was thinking about Granddaddy, Lucy Parks' grandfather, and so I brought a few of his notes, and it says, I show Lucy Parks the miter box, and I ask her which of the saws she wants to use. That one, she promptly decides. 5. It's the exactly right one for the job. How she hit on the right thing, I don't know. She seems to have an instinct for things. I think this is a hallmark of a high level of intelligence.
Look at how handsome you are.
I love your dress.
I like your bow tie.
Do you like it?
I hope, and this is what we hope for you, Lucy Parks, and you too, Adam, that she never suffers any setbacks which would lower her extreme confidence and diminish her enthusiasm for life. Enjoy.
Lucy Parks and Adam, nothing fills my heart with more joy, faith, hope, and love than to see two young people married in the midst of pandemic, hurricane, and no electricity.
I, Adam Harrison Rose, choose you, Lucy Park Shackelford, to be nothing other than your fullest self. I promise to share my whole heart with you and to show you how deeply I care for you every single day of our lives. From the day I met you, I was yours, and I will continue to be yours for the rest of our lives. This is just the beginning of our journey together, and I cannot wait to start this new chapter of our lives together with you.
Adam, you are the love of my life, my rock and my port in the storm. You make me feel loved every single day. You go out of your way to make me smile, and for that I will be forever grateful. In our lives, I promise to be a loving wife and to dedicate myself to our family and its well-being and health. I promise to listen when you need to be heard and to hold your hand in mine when you don't. I promise to always stand with you against your troubles and to look to you when I need protection from mine. I promise to love and cherish you for all of my days.
Lucy Parks is driven. She always goes what's in her heart, goes after what's in her heart. And Adam, that is you. So that is why I know with all of my heart that you are the one for Lucy. And you make her very, very happy. Her smile lights up the room. So I'm so happy for y'all, and I love y'all very much.
Once again, thank everybody for coming for this wonderful occasion. We're all happy to be here, happy to have the Roses and all their friends and all our friends. And I would like to be the first to toast the bride and groom. Hear, hear.
And so from the bottom of my heart, and I feel like from the bottom of everybody else's heart, I want to give a toast to Adam and LP and saying thank you so much for your years of friendship. And I'm so happy for you. And of course, my mom and dad say congratulations. So to Adam and LP, to years of happiness, this is to them.
So I just wanted to say it to you, and it just hope it brings you great happiness. But it's voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? So happy wedding day. But let's get this party started.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Adam Harrison Rose.